Do you want to get into composting, but you only have a small space at home? No worries. Here are the steps on how you can compost in your condo units, apartments, and other limited areas. Step 1. Prepare your composter. For indoor composting, you may use a compost bucket or any small convenient container with a tight lid that you can keep in your kitchen or other suitable area in your home. Step 2. Build your compost layers. Start a base layer of paper scraps and loose soil at the bottom of the bin. This will absorb moisture from the mixture. Then continue layering your compost with your greens such as coffee grounds, fruit and vegetable scraps, tea leaves and weeds, and your browns like twigs and branches, eggshells, old newspapers, wood ash, and sawdust. When using food scraps, make sure to store them first in the freezer before transferring to the compost bucket to minimize possible foul smell. Keep layering your greens and browns until your compost pot is full. Lastly, to ensure a healthy airflow, mix your compost mixture from time to time. This will also encourage faster decomposition of your mix. Regularly check the moisture content of your compost mixture. When the compost is too wet, add more browns. When the compost is too dry, sprinkle some water or add more greens. What you put in the compost really depends on what sort of compost it is. If you're using it for your potted plants or for your garden, you may not want to add all leftovers, especially processed foods, which might not contain the nicest chemicals. It's important to think about what chemicals you want going into the soil, which will then go into your homegrown food or plants. Step 3. Use your compost. Depending on the size of your compost, it should be ready after 4 months to a year. You can add it to your garden or share it with your friends and family. Wherever used, the nutrient-rich compost will improve soil quality of your plants. If you are looking for a sign to start composting, this is it.